Alright, here we go. Alright, we are recording. Jeter auto and a 1-1 and leave. Okay, that's good. Let's make it happen. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining on our break. Let's get these bombs going. I hate these little bombs. Alright. Kevy, I think you might need sharper scissors, man. Alright, there we go. Alright, box number 1. There we go. Pack number 1. Let's look for mega hit number 1. Here we go. Starting off for the Mets with a Zach Wheeler relic here. Number 106 of 254. 106 of 254. Mets, you're on board. Right after that, for the Giants, we have a Matt Williams auto, number 46 of 299. Matt Williams for the Giants. And then to finish it off for the Sonny Gray auto, it's a gold auto, 4 of 25. 4 of 25, Sonny Gray auto going to the Athletics. Boom, that's pretty nice. Alright, and that's box number 1. Not bad, not a bad first box. Alright, here we go. Empty box. Bat knob. Alright, that would be awesome. Thick relic here. No, not a bat knob, but multiple colors. Going to the Rangers. Pudge. Look at that relic. And it is number 10 of 10. Number 10 of 10. Let's see here, what is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5 colors? I think it's a 5-color patch right there. Boom. And a Pudge. Yeah, I think it is. Maybe a piece of a jock strap. Maybe. We'll see. Pretty nice. Alright, up next for the Dodgers. It's a Ryu relic, number 2 of 25. 2 of 25. Ryu for the Dodgers. Right behind that, going to the Tigers, we got an Al Kaline auto. Number 119 of 299. Tigers on the board. Al Kaline. And finishing Braves, Julio Teheran auto, number 91 of 182. 91 of 182, Julio Teheran. Going to the Braves. Alright, 2 boxes down. So far, very good. Ooh. Now I'll take the other ones. Look at it. Oh, or does it slide down or something? Just because they, yeah, they open up. Alright, here we go. Empty. Pack number 3, box number 3. Really? Kaline and everyone? Yeah, that's a half case that we've done here so far. Alright, looks like Mets are rocking out again here. Alright, go to the Mets. Relic, David Wright, number 61 of 254. 61 of 254. David Wright. Yeah, you're darn right you saw a redemption. I was trying to hide it. Boom. Going to the Rangers. Yu Darvish. Autograph Tier 1 relic. Yu Darvish. There you go. Yu Darvish. Putting the Rangers back on the board again. Hitting it hard. And then going to the Cubbies. We got a Junior Lake auto. Looks like it's number... It's hard because he signed right over it. But it looks like 382 or 392 of 399. Lake auto going to the Cubbies. There you go, Reed. It's your first Cubby. Right there, Junior Lake. All right, moving right along here. Yeah, Kevy, these scissors are one little swipe. It's like, yep, that's cut. All right, here we go. Pulling some really nice stuff already tonight. This is looking great. All right, here we go. First for the Braves, John Smoltz relic, number 233 of 254. My camera. There you go. 233 of 254. John Smoltz relic Braves. Junior Lake and El Caroline. Yeah, they're on you, huh? All right, going to the Orioles. We got an Adam Jones auto, number 42 of 100. 42 of 100, Adam Jones auto. Going to the Orioles. And right behind that, we have a Peter Burgess autograph, 288 of 399. Peter Burgess. Yeah, we pulled a James Shields last night, too. Need some Angels. All right, let's get there. All right, here we go. Pack number 5, box number 5. Empty. All right, looks like the Blue Jays are getting on board here. It's Colby Rasmus relic, 241 of 254. 241 of 254, Colby Rasmus. Going to the Blue Jays. And we go going to the Braves. Dusty. Yeah. Unfortunately, I think he lost his toothpick in this one. Or he might have swallowed it. It does kind of look like he looks a little irritated right there. So he probably did swallow his toothpick. Dusty Baker, 171 of 299. Going to the Braves. Going to the Marlins. It's a Christian Yelich. And it looks like his auto is smeared. But number 27 of 181. 27 of 181. Christian Yelich, and you can see it looks like his auto is a little smeared or Rooney. 27 of 181, Yelich going to the Marlins. Yeah, it kind of looks like, yeah, he may have licked this card. I don't know if that increases or decreases the value, but we'll see. All right, last box, Tier 1, guys. I think he did play for every team. He's trying to manage every team, too. All right, last box. Good luck, everybody. We do have another case of this, too, and we're going to keep your eyes out for that. We have another case of Gypsy, too, so we're going to rock that, too, next weekend. All right, last pack. Good luck, everybody. All right, it looks like the Braves are getting back on the board. Neon Dion. Relic, bad relic. 254. 187 of 254, Neon Dion. for the Braves. And the Diamondbacks are getting on the board. Mark Trumbo auto, number 53 of 299. 53 of 299. Looking good. And the Rangers, Mets. All right, last card here, guys. Go to the cards. Cards double dip. Matt Adams, number 245 of 399. 245 of 399, Matt Adams auto. All right, so that will do it for the tier 1.